Greetings everyone, welcome to Ritvik Roshan YouTube channel. We all know a great personality of all time who is Mr. Henry Ford. He was an industrialist and a business magnate and founder of Ford Motor Company. He was the person behind a great motor company and he did not even complete his schooling till grade 6. And I'm going to mention a great incident of his life. In 1916, a newspaper company of USA, Chicago Tribune, wrote an article insulting the business tycoon, saying that he is ignorant idealist and incapable of thought. Seeing this, Mr. Henry Ford decided to file a lawsuit against the newspaper company for $1 million. In the courtroom, the lawyers of the newspaper side started to ask questions to Mr. Ford. There was various questions like, who was Benedict Arnold? Ford said that he is a writer. In reality, he was a military officer. And when the Revolutionary War started, he said 1812. All these answers of Mr. Ford was wrong and made the Americans laugh and joke about him. They said that he's not educated and really ignorant. And after Ford got fed up of the question of the lawyers, he said something very important. Mr. Ford said, "Let me remind you that I have a row of electric push buttons on my desk, and by just pressing the right button, I can call one of the members of the group of intelligent men I have who works for me, and they can answer to all my questions I desire to know, and concerning the business I am devoting most of the time and efforts. Now, will the lawyers kindly tell me why should I use a lot of my mind to fill it up with general knowledge for the purpose of being able to answer questions when I have men around me who can supply me with knowledge of any kind? It is not essential that I should have all knowledge stored in my mind when I can ask someone and get it immediately." Although the Henry Ford won the case and got 6 cents in compensation, but the point to notice here is what he said about the education. He was not concerned about filling the mind with all the general knowledge, but he wanted some specialized knowledge of the field in which he was, that is the motor vehicle field, and he had a group of men to answer all questions. So the real intelligence and education doesn't mean to have all the general knowledge in your mind to be successful. Well, nobody in the world can answer to all the questions which one needs to know. The real education is when a person wants to know something, he should know from where to get it. This is the real education. But some schools and parents don't understand, and they always focus on things that my child has memorized also is very good. So if you are confusing and cursing yourself that you did not got to know about all the answers, or you don't know many general knowledge questions, then don't fool yourself. You can still succeed. Success doesn't mean learning general knowledge. There is no book of life and no syllabus of life to read and pass the exam. The one who knows where to get and how to get the answer win in life. That's why most of the people who were toppers or very good students end up working for those who never went to school at all. So it's another example that schooling is not all. I'm not saying not to attend school, but yes, if you have not attended or wasn't a good student, then it's not the end of the world. Your life goes on and learning goes on. Focus and have faith in yourself and you will succeed one day. Thanks for watching, comment and subscribe.